Hi, I am Carol Reve, and this is my Review Legacy Builder program. And as you can see right up here, this is my carolcashdaily.com, and I have been really liking this program. You can see right there, payouts. Here's one of the sales made. This is really, it's 100% profit. These are the key points of it. It's 100% profits. It's not MLM. It's not even really affiliate marketing. It's digital marketing. It's an e-learning platform where you learn to market online. Okay? So again, you earn 100% because you're buying the product. You're buying the resale rights to the product. So this is another vehicle to what you may already be in, but this is a much higher paying vehicle if you're looking um, to build a better income, if you're looking to spend more time with your family. That's why I got into it. It's because I wanted more time with my family. I wanted to be able to help with the bills more. You know, affiliate marketing, you earn 25%. MLM, they in some MLMs they say you can earn more than that, but the problem is most MLMs, even if it's a big new shiny object that comes out, 3 months down the road, it's very hard to keep your downline together, very hard to keep yourself from falling apart. So there's no monthly expenses to this. There's no monthly payments. That is really sweet. And you also get this wonderful automated system that has, after you put your email, it takes you to a thank you page and then a video page where it goes into more depth about the system. One of the things that is the most impressive thing to me is literally tens of thousands of people are having success with this, are making money online with this. And, I figured if they could do it, why can't we? Right? So this is very impressive. They teach you, we're taught in a series of interactive webinars and interactive teachings and trainings of how to market, faceless marketing, how to brand yourself, how to find your perfect customer, how to connect with that person. There is so much to this. There really is a lot of great training in this. And if you can't market online, just in general I'm speaking, if you cannot market online, if you don't learn, if you don't come out of your comfort zone, I'm just going to be frank with you, dear. You're never going to be successful online. You need a vehicle that, one, pays really well, 100% profit, is in a high demand. E-learning sector is the biggest building sector, biggest growing sector. It's spending $1.2 million a day now in the digital marketing in the e-learning sector. And by 2027, they're estimating it to be $3 billion a day spent on this. Okay, so you got products in high demand. You're earning 100% profit. There's 4 different levels to this, so you can start at the lower level and go up to the higher one. There's no monthly expenses. You can break the monthly levels down into, there's a 100, 300, 600, and 900. Every level you go up opens more digital products to you. opens more learning to you. Okay, so each level you go, you can break that down into multiple payments, interest-free payments if you need that to make it a little bit easier on you. Okay, and again, this is some of the best training I've ever been a part of as far as training on how to market. It takes you by the hand and walks you step by step on how to come out of your comfort zone, how to market online, how to market. You can just use one platform, TikTok, and be successful with this legacy builder program blueprint. Okay, they take you and show you step by step. You don't need a following, you don't need an email list, and you can still be successful online. And it doesn't have to take forever either. With affiliate marketing MLM, it takes you time to grow that. It takes time to grow. It's not going to be overnight. You know, if you have a huge email list, you're going to be successful in everything. Anything that you do. If you have a huge responsive email list, let me correct that, rephrase that, you're going to be successful with everything. This, anything else. But if you do not have a huge email list, you will not be successful. It will take you time to build an income unless you have 100% profit vehicle. This is your vehicle to becoming successful. This is your vehicle to learning how to market. This is your vehicle to e-learning and having it them take you hand by the hand, step by step. You need to be coachable. This is a 2-hour workday blueprint. You need to do the 2 hours work, a day work, mainly video. This is mainly working on video because this is where you can jump in and, Instagram, you can do Facebook, you can do YouTube. They have many teachings of different things that you can do. This is definitely what I'm going towards. MLM and affiliate marketing, if you're in that, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just I've been in it for years and it has not made enough so that I can help my family get free. I can help my daughters get their cars paid off. I want to help my daughters get their mortgages paid off. I want to help ease the burden, and so that if they miss a day of work, it's not going to be, or a week of work or something, it's not going to be, oh my gosh, how am I going to pay my bills? Get any credit cards paid off. Things like that. I mean, basic living expenses we're talking. A vehicle like this does that for you. Okay? MLM, affiliate marketing, take a long time to really work, and you work, I'm going to be honest with you, you're going to work your butt off to do that. You can work your butt off with this. It's 2 hours a day work blueprint, so you do have the rest of the time to be with your family. But if you can come out of your comfort zone with this, you can learn to market. You can market anything. If you follow this and go through the training, remain coachable, you can do anything. You can be successful online anything. Because of course, with this automated system you grow your list too. Because you're sending back everybody to your automations. This is wonderful because it pays direct to your bank account. There's no middle person. It sends you to, after you go through the videos to find out more information, it sends you to this lovely page. I'm just going to open this in another link. This is one of the few with the digital marketing because it's not MLM and it's not affiliate marketing, you're purchasing basically for the marketing system itself is free, but you're getting mentored, you're getting coaches, you go out into breakout rooms and learn how to craft your message to reach your people. If you're not having success, you really need to look at this. Okay, just so it doesn't cost you anything to look at it. You can pay through PayPal. All right. Or you scrolled up more, and it talks you, it's a little bit about myself, and then a little bit about the program and what's in the program, and effortlessly attracting customer, master the art of building a faceless brand, website automation, which is critical. If you don't have something set up so that you have it going back to a capture page, to a thank you page, and then into your sales page and a sales page setup. You know, I do the same amount of work for growing my affiliate business, where I make maybe $25 for the fast start and then 25 cents for once somebody goes into the matrix. And I gotta be honest with you, normally 3 months after the people have joined, they normally drop out because it's hard. It's not easy to grow. It's not easy to market. Anybody that tells you it is flat out lying. Okay, it takes time, and you need a coach, a system. Okay, this also has a 23,000 digital growth community. There's a classroom inside it. This is one of the mentoring things they have for mindset. Mindset does matter. It ain't just a bunch of hooey, okay? It matters. If your mind's not right, nothing's gonna work. Okay, and then you can click the blue buttons that are under that leads to PayPal. Those blue buttons are the ones that have, if you need to pay by credit card, you can pay by credit card with this. And you can pay through Google Pay. I use Square with this. I find that the payments come through a lot faster. It's like within 24 hours it hits my bank account. A lot use Stripe, and that's totally cool too. You can pay with Google Pay. And there's the credit card part. And here's it's called Afterpay. Now this is mostly, I believe, and Cash App. You can pay through Cash App. I know a lot of people love Cash App. Afterpay is available mainly in the US, so this is how you would break it down to interest-free 4 payments. Now, like I said, with the payment levels, when you go into each different level, if you come in $100 level and you decide you want to go up to the next level, which is $300, which is digital, or the blueprint, the passive daily blueprint, you would just pay the difference as long as it's within the 30 days that you upgraded, and then the next level would be 30 days from there. So you can just pay the difference of it. And again, this is one-time payments. These are not monthly payments. It's a one-time payment. There is an option in here to earn residual income too, but it's just an option. And this will help you build any business you want with this, with the monthly. Okay, but just in advertising alone, the Legacy Builder program builds anything online. Gives you the advertising you need to learn. So click the link below and take a look.